Hey guys, had a few mishaps with the footage for the last part of the boat build. Working on it, trying to get it figured out. I'm not exactly sure what happened, but I'm sifting through the footage to see if I have anything to put up, but I will have another video on it very soon. As for right now, steelhead fishing is picking up here, so I'm going to be heading up to Bonneville Dam and see if I can't catch a couple. I'm going to take my daughter with me. I think the limit is 1 right now, so 1 and done. See you up there. All right, you ever have one of those days where you got too excited about something and you forgot everything? So we came up to the dam to go steelhead fishing. I forgot the rod holders, I forgot one of my tackle bags, and I forgot all the cases for my cameras to be able to hook them to my hat and my chest and stuff. So we're flying blind today, but you know what? Some of the best days happen when you are unprepared. So we're just gonna give it our all and see what happens. Well, we're all set up here fishing. My brother and my dad got 2 fish this morning pretty quickly, but it wasn't nearly as windy as it is right now. But we're gonna try for a little bit, and then maybe we'll stop at the dam and see the fish going over and then head home. Well, no fish, but it's a beautiful day out, and I think we're gonna pack up, get out of this sun and wind, and head to the fish ladders. Maybe we'll see some fish there. There's a chunk of steelhead hanging out there. Come on, come back here. Let's look. Oh, wow. And we didn't get no bites because they're all hanging out here.
What type of fish is that? It's an eel. It's an eel.
Where?
Like, do you see it? What type of fish is that? It says, oh, it's a Pacific lamprey. I was close.
Is that a crappie? No, it's bass. There's some pike minnow and some salmon. There's all the shad that are still hanging out here. There's a nice steelhead, wild. Look at all those steelhead hanging out there. That's why we didn't catch any. They're all hanging out there. Ooh, that one's got a nice bite on him. There's a nice hatchery steelhead. Another nice hatchery. I don't know if you can see back. Oh, there's a really nice. That was a Chinook. Look at all those steelhead. Look at them all. Goodness gracious. And we couldn't get a bite. There was a Chinook that just went by. Big one. There's some. It's crazy. Oh, there's this fish. Look at that Chinook. That's a nice fish. It's wild, but still a nice fish. It's crazy how skittish the steelhead are. Like, they can see you through this window. Alright, well, that concludes our fishing trip. We didn't get any fish. We got one bite, but we got to see some fish, so I say it was a pretty good day. Beautiful weather, a little windy, but we'll get back to it another time. See you in the next video.